This high-speed roller coaster ride includes sudden and dramatic acceleration, climbing, tilting, dropping, and jaw reactions. You should not experience this attraction if you have any heart conditions, abnormal blood pressure, back, neck, or similar physical conditions, are an expectant mother, are prone to motion sickness or dizziness, have a fear of heights, have medical sensitivity to fog effects, or have had recent surgery or other conditions that may be aggravated by this ride. Guests under 40 inches may not ride. Guests between 40 inches and 48 inches must be accompanied by a supervising companion. When boarding the flying cart, watch your step as you enter your assigned seat. Only 2 guests per row. Remember to remain seated at all times, keeping hands and feet inside the flying cart. Supervise children. Hold on to lap restraints at all times. No, always follow team instructions and ask for assistance if needed.
Set off a while back to chase the tiki-tac tribe out of the temple. But shut your beak. I'm getting there. Thing is, those two have been gone a long time, and I haven't seen hide nor hair of them. Probably got distracted by some shiny balloons or some nonsense. If I were in my prime, I could run them tiki-tacs out of here with my eyes tied behind my back. But I've got an important nap to take.